that Mother's Day is coming, so I think of my mother, and I love her one recipe which she used to relish, that is khichda. We say in khichda, that is form of khichdi made of moong and wheat crust, and then they whisk some from that wheat, and then they boil it with ghee and salt, and it's relishing, and we prepare tamarind like watery type juice, that is with sweets and cardamom, and this goes very well as Akshaya Tritiya is coming. So this is our annual festival, and we make this khichda, and if I have to offer her once, I'll offer this thing. Thank you.